Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung soundbar, HW-Q60C soundbar. This is 3.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby Atmos. This soundbar deserves your attention. This soundbar got 7 speakers. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside, and I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this soundbar. Brilliant. This is the subwoofer here. Information pack. Here we go. Brilliant stuff. Whoa, that's nice. Quite heavy. Nice. This is the subwoofer here. See what it looks like. Brilliant. This is the soundbar. See what it looks like. And it's with the metal grill. Then at the back is plastic at the back. So the ports, so you have the power cable goes in here, DC 24V, then USB, and this end you have HDMI EAC to TV, and digital audio optical. So the ports, HDMI to TV, EAC, and optical cable. Deserves your attention. On top here is you switch it on and off. The minus is decrease the volume, the plus increase the volume and input. Samsung. Now we're going to measure this from this end. cm length, 103 cm, and the width is 11 cm. The subwoofer from the front to the back is 30 centimeter, and this is 19 centimeter. Now from the bottom to the top is 34 centimeter. Now here we have two power cables, remote control, power cable, second one, remote, and the battery. This is information user's manual. And this is the part of the power cable and the wall mount. So this is what is included: two power cables, wall mount, the battery, triple A battery, and remote control is what is included. This soundbar will elevate your music in your home. Technical specification for Samsung 3.1 channels with Dolby audio, 340 watts, optional pairing with Samsung rear speakers if you like. Video features HDMI, EAC and SEC. Audio features Q-Symphony, adaptive sound lit, acoustic beam, audio processing, Dolby Atmos music, Dolby Matte, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True High Definition, DTX 5.1 channel, DTS Visual X, supported audio file, AAC, etc. Preset mode, voice enhancement, night mode, surround sound expansion, game, standard, 4K pass-through, high resolution, Bluetooth, input, HDMI, optical, HDMI, USB, power 180 watts for the soundbar, and subwoofer is 160. We're going to connect this and test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Take the power cable, push it in here, and take this cable, plug it to the subwoofer, push it in. This subwoofer, you can switch it on and off and also reset it from this button here. Now plug it on to the power. Take this power cable, go to DC in, push it inside, now plug it onto the power. This is the remote control here. Then you take the battery, push this down, then take the negative to the bottom, negative this end, and the positive on the left side. The positive need to be on the top. Then close this back up, switch it on. You keep an eye here. Okay, so it's on. Once you switch it on, and it's showing us now DG in. Okay, now we need to select Bluetooth, and it's showing us now BT. So pairing, so it's looking for available Bluetooth device. I'm going to connect it using Epidemic Sound. So go to your mobile device and go to the settings, go to connections, select Bluetooth. So switch Bluetooth on. We're going to look for this device, and we're looking for Samsung Soundbar. Samsung Soundbar Q60 series is available. You need to select on it, pairing, pair with Samsung Q60, select pair, and it's connected. It's also showing, it will show the phone name. Okay, so this now is connected. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound, and it's music for content creator. So this is Epidemic Sound. Go to saved music. This is the audio.
I get why you left. Small-minded people, sure know how to. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. It looks like it's a beast, don't break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
This is beautiful stuff. So guys, I'm going to talk to you about the remote control for this soundbar. You switch this soundbar on and off from this button here. This button here is the input. You select this to HDMI optical. This button here is Bluetooth. The center is pause and play. Then this button here is mute. This button here with plus is for you to increase the volume, and if you push it downwards, then you decrease the volume. Then the woofer is for you to increase the subwoofer, and also if you push it up, you increase it. If you push it down, then you decrease it. When you are selecting this, then you need to keep an eye on the display. It will show you from here. Now this button here is channel. This button here is sound mode, for you to select surround, standard, game from the sound mode. And also you select treble and bass from the tone control. When you select tone control, you go to treble or bass, then you use the up and down to increase the bass. So if you select tone control, you go to treble, then you select up and down to increase it. The maximum treble is +6. Likewise, the maximum bass is +6. So if you select tone control, you keep an eye from here. This is treble and this is bass, treble and bass. So select tone control. Then once you go to bass, then you select up to increase it or down to decrease the bass. Likewise, if you select channel, it will show you channel. Then you use up and down to select the level. You can see +1, +3. This is voice enhancement. So if you select voice enhancement, then you need to use up and down to switch it on and off. So if you select voice enhancement, you can see it's on. This is for voice enhancement and it's off. So once you select any particular one, okay, then you need to use up and down to select the particular control you want. This is beautiful stuff that deserves your attention. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.